Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Instagram Threads, easy and quick. If you want to change it, first go to Instagram Threads and then click on your profile here. Now click edit and click on your name. If you can't change it and you see that it's synced with Instagram, now just go back and go to your Instagram. Now go to your Instagram profile, click edit, and now just change your name from Instagram and then just go back, go to Instagram Threads, refresh the page, and as you see your name will be changed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.